Chapter 8, Microsoft Excel 2010. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to make spreadsheets in Microsoft Excel 2010, know about parts of a Microsoft Excel window, create a new workbook, list types of data, enter data in a worksheet, use autofill option, edit data in cells, save a workbook. Spreadsheets. Look at the result sheet of 5 students in 3 different subjects. This is an example of a manual worksheet. When worksheets are prepared on a computer using a special software, they are called spreadsheets. Spreadsheets are widely used for doing calculations and arranging data in an organized manner. They can also be used to prepare charts, tables, and graphs. If a person enters wrong data in a manual worksheet, he or she will have to recalculate the totals and averages. But if spreadsheets are used to make such worksheets, the totals and averages are automatically corrected as soon as the wrong data are corrected. One of the popular spreadsheet application software is Microsoft Excel, MS Excel. Let us learn about MS Excel 2010 in detail. Know more. Dan Bricklin is called the father of the electronic spreadsheet. In 1978, he came up with the idea of an interactive visible calculator. Bricklin and Bob Frankston then co-invented the software program VisiCalc, which has the first spreadsheet application for personal computers. To start MS Excel 2010, follow these steps. Click on the Start button. Click on All Programs. Click on Microsoft Office. Click on Microsoft Excel 2010. On starting MS Excel 2010, the MS Excel window opens. The various parts of an MS Excel window are shown above. Quick Access Toolbar ribbon, Name box, Active cell, Roll numbers, Work area, Status bar, Sheet tabs, Insert Worksheet button, Column letters, Title bar, Formula bar, Vertical scroll bar, Horizontal scroll bar. For the teacher, discuss the advantages and limitations of using MS Excel in detail. Also, show the Excel screen and its parts in the lab. Let us discuss each part of an MS Excel 2010 window. Title bar. The title bar is located at the top of the window. It shows the name of the workbook. It has 3 buttons: Minimize,
Restore or Maximize,
and Close buttons on the top right corner. Ribbon. The ribbon is the strip of tabs and various options located above the work area. Some of the tabs are File, Home, and View. Each tab contains a number of related tools and options. Name box. The name box displays the name of the active cell. Active cell. We always enter data in an active cell. Different cells can be made active by clicking on them or by pressing the arrow keys on the keyboard. The active cell has a black outline. The highlighted boundary of an active cell is called the cell pointer. Sheet tabs. By default, there are 3 worksheets: Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and Sheet 3 in an Excel file. You can add more worksheets by clicking on the Insert Worksheet button. After Sheet 3, each worksheet can be opened by clicking on the tab of that sheet. Status bar.
The status bar is located at the bottom of the window.
It shows different view options for the workbook and also has a zoom slider. Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar allows you to access the commonly used commands easily. File tab. The File tab is used to open new or existing worksheet files, save and print worksheets. It has a new feature of Save and Send, which can be used to convert a workbook into a PDF. Formula bar. The formula bar displays the contents of an active cell. It can also be used to enter or edit data. Column letters. Columns run vertically on a worksheet and each one is identified by a letter as the column header. Row numbers. Rows run horizontally in a worksheet and are identified by a number as the row header. A column letter and a row number together create a cell reference. Each cell in the worksheet can be identified by this combination of letters and numbers. For example, A2, C34 or E5. Scroll bar. There are two scroll bars, the horizontal and the vertical scroll bars. The horizontal scroll bar helps in moving the page to the left or right. The vertical scroll bar helps in moving the page up or down. Creating a new workbook. A file in MS Excel is called a workbook. A workbook consists of one or more worksheets. A workbook can be compared to a notebook with different pages acting as worksheets. To create a new workbook, follow these steps. Click on the File tab. Click on the New option. Click on Blank Workbook. Click on the Create button. A blank workbook opens. We can move downwards in a column by pressing the Enter key. We can move in any direction from the active cell using the arrow keys. Keyboard shortcut. Create a new book. Ctrl+N. Smart tip. You can directly use cell address in the name box to go to that cell. Know more. You can change the color of the Sheet tab on the status bar by right-clicking on the Sheet tab and choosing the tab color option. It will open the Theme Colors sublist from which you can choose a color for the tab. Class activity. Type T for true or F for false.